Namaskaram in Ooty. I'm happy to see you all again. Good morning, people. We're going to see that beautiful place of the Ooty, which God has created with His own hand. We're going to explore all the chocolate factory, tea factory, and other more. It's going to be very excited, and I hope people's going to like it.
मैं सिंचाई की वॉइस में बोलूंगा, ओके? डोरा, हम अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री। चलो, हम चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री देखेंगे। There is an entry and an adventure also there. W4. Woo! The tea factory, we are here.
The tea factory is open whole the weeks, which is from 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., which is Sunday to Saturday. It's open, you can visit anytime. But if you want to go to visit, you have to go between 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. And here people are lined up at the tea factory to see how tea is made. They get to watch the machine at work and see how the worker carefully handle each step to make the tea. The tea factory and the tea museum in Ooty, Tamil Nadu offer a guide tour of the tea making process, from plucking the leaf of packaging the powder. Visitors can watch the tea making process or machine and learn about the stage of production, such as watering, rolling, drying, and shifting. Visitor can taste samples of tea, buy tea products and chocolate. The factory is located on Dolbetta Road, 4 kilometers from Ooty city. Some say that the factory is a great place to understand the history of origin of tea. Others say the factory has board that explain the process and what the machine do. Here are the people standing in line to go the next step to see what machine is doing. First here, workers will pluck the leaf and put the leaves to the machine, and it will make grind and then pass to the next step. Take a look, everyone. This is the fascinating process of making tea in a tea factory. Here you can see each step unfold, from the careful selection of tea leaves to their journey through intricate machine, all the way to the skilled hand of the worker who brings it together. Every stage reveals the care and craftsmanship involved in creating the perfect tea. How tea is processed in a factory. When they arrive at the factory, tea leaves are full of moisture. The first stage reduce their water content to about 60% to 70%. This is done by laying out the tea leaves in big trough on a wire mesh. Air is then pressed over them, gently drying them out. Let's have a look what machine is doing step by step. The tea I had in Ooty was truly unforgettable. It was so tasty, served in a traditional way. It was so fresh and pure. Its sip felt like a breath of nature. Itself, I never tasted tea so vibrant and good for my health. If you want to buy tea, there's a lot of varieties teas is here. You can pay cash or you can pay online transaction too. You can choose any one, whatever you like. There is a lot of varieties tea available: lemon tea, ginger tea, chocolate tea, green tea, and many more. And here is an oil products and beauty products are also available. If you want any kinds of beauty tips and massage cream or something oil which is gonna be very important for your health, there are also a lot of varieties here available.
So much expensive. Is it 200, 900, 500?
कौन सा ले रहे हो?
Yeah.
ग्रीन टी कितना वाला?
क्या चलेगा? No, my face is, I don't know, it's so much
Black.
acne is there. I want to buy this vitamin serum.
Okay.
Check your 100.
Thank you.
I got this. One is for Naveen. One is for me. Naveen, I'm buying for you. I buy 200. You give me 2,000.
3954. What are you doing? पता नहीं. What are you doing? Taking oil.
And now we're gonna go and see Chocolate Factory, which is at the back side of me, which is Chocolate Factory. We're ready to go.
I buy this. 2 bags.
Here we are inside in the chocolate factory. This auntie is distributing chocolate sample of chocolates to visitors to try it, and it's good. Here is a machine that works different kinds of chocolate. The tastes are different, and this box are full of chocolate, and it's very expensive. And every people love to buy this type of chocolate because it is pure and safe. Here people are selecting what kind of chocolate they were gonna buy. 100 grams like 190, 125, 150 it costs. Chocolate factory, many chocolates are here available. Varieties of chocolate are available. You can buy any of you want, and it's very expensive since it is a pure chocolate from Ooty.
Tea factory and chocolate factory is it? Okay, we're back to our hotel.
So guys, tea factory and chocolate factory we have done. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.